Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Canva design to other accounts. So here is my personal Canva account, and then I'm going to move this design into my work account in Canva. So what you need to do is just go find the design that you want to send to share. Just click on the three dots icon at the top of the design and click on share here, and then you can just copy the link but change the access into can edit, and then copy the link and go to your Canva other Canva account, and then just paste the link that you has been copied here and click on enter, and then just like that the edited page of this design can be opened in other accounts like this. Okay, as you can see, the photo is also the same with this design, and it's so easy, right? Okay, so that is how you can send a Canva design into your other accounts. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.